good. That's a wonderful shot.
That's a good shot. Leg side, 6.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful by Babar Azam. That's gone. That is gone some distance.
Is for screen. Lovely, sweet sound that made off the bat.
No, he hasn't, has he? It's disappeared, Sam. Here in Karachi. And he's moosed us over cover as well.
Smashed away by Babar Azam. Bang over the top.
Uses his feet, use the long levers, and
Opportunity to take the game away from New Zealand. What a shot. That's a terrific stroke.
driven beautifully down the ground.
18 one-day international hundreds for Babar Azam. Enjoyed this. Relief as much as anything in the
Driven just on the up away from the diving point fielder. Slow delivery, caresses it through the offside. And it's through that gap. He's got enough. And he's not done. He's not done tonight. The crowd has plenty to cheer for.
Got to go wide Yorker.
Back straight past the bowler, and it's a 6. Babar goes over. He goes over mid-off. Babar goes to 97. Does Babar get it? Yes, he does. The king stands tall once again tonight, and he lights up Gaddafi Stadium. 30-20 eye century for Babar Azam. Well, the king, you can take a bow.
First ball from there he goes. Spectacular. What do you think? Babar Azam.
What a player.